Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites and backing up files so you can revert if needed. Open the Flutter project root in VS Code and keep 2 terminals ready for Android and iOS. First, edit PubSpec. YAML, change the name and display name fields if present, then save. Once done, run Flutter clean to clear caches. This prevents old bundle identifiers or names from persisting. Make sure your package name changes are deliberate, because later steps update platform-specific files. Next, you update Android specifics to match the new app name and package. Open Android/app/build. Gradle and change application ID to the new package. This is crucial for installs and Play Store. Then refactor the package declarations in Android/app/src/main/Kotlin or Java files so class paths match. Edit Android manifest. XML entries for Android, label and the package attribute to reflect the display name. Once done, run Flutter pubget and rebuild an Android debug to verify no package or resource errors. Finally, finish iOS changes and validate both platforms. Open iOS/runner. Xcode proj in Xcode, set the display name and the bundle identifier to your new values. Info. Plist CF bundle display name must match. Back in VS Code, run Flutter build app and Flutter build iOS or use Xcode to archive. Test on devices and emulators. If you encounter installation conflicts or name mismatch, run Flutter clean. Confirm all package identifiers and manifest entries are consistent, and rerun builds to resolve leftover cache issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.